Can you blow my whistle, baby, here we go. You just put your lips together and we'll start real slow. Hi guys, welcome to a new video. This video will be called A New Beginning. All to enjoy. And I really mean it, to enjoy, okay? Because it's a new beginning, yeah. And just maybe subscribe and share this with your friends and like it and favorite it and just like post it on Facebook, Twitter, even fucking Instagram, Tumblr, whatever you got. So I'll see you guys in the video. Peace. Hey guys, it's Jesse here, or NewTuber HD as my new name. So, first of all, I was gone for a long while, I know that. I got bored, was tired of doing videos, and kind of not seeing so much progress, if you see what I mean. 3 subscribers more. It's good, it's a start, and now I'm really positive. I got this new piece of equipment. It's the Blue Yeti with the pop filter, so it records my voice better, as you can tell. And also, as you can tell by the intro, my intro is really weird. But I was just so happy to be back. I had to do it. It just kind of passed through my mind. I didn't really think. Stop judging, guys. I mean, I know I'm weird, but that's why I have my curtains, blocking the sun. I'm a loner, but I like that intro. Anyway. This video titled A New Beginning, because a new beginning for me, a new beginning, a better beginning, and hopefully a better beginning for you guys and the people who are yet to see my amazing channel, of course. Now, this thing, by the way, is really cool. You can pick up noises from everywhere in my room. Yeah, so a new beginning. I will be started recording a lot now. I really want to get in the grind. I'm really happy. It'll be PC gaming, although I won't be recording as much Call of Duty anymore. And now we're not really in the competitive things anymore. It was just our phase of competitiveness. But now we're just we're playing rank play on AW, and we're doing a few GB matches, but it's just for fun. So I can't really be serious about it anymore. But I got a new group of friends, which I'm gonna start a Minecraft series. I'm gonna start a Gmod series with them. We're planning on it, and I will do my own stuff as well on PC, Skyrim Adventures, which I'm gonna start really soon, probably just after this video. Yeah, Skyrim is kind of a old game, but I really like it, and I think it could be something I could have fun. And there's no new Skyrim games, so this should be the best. I will bring other things like DayZ, all these cool things that we could play, that I could play for you guys. So yeah, that's a new beginning, guys, and I'm really happy to be back. I got a new setup, which I will do a video soon, not sure when. But that's all I have to say. Thank you for listening. I love you guys. Please comment what you think, if you're gonna support me, and if there's anything I could do for you guys to enjoy this thing better, comment some games I could play. Streaming, I might do it if I get more subscribers, but for now I'm keeping it on YouTube. The best thing to do. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was Jesse here. Have a great day. Like, comment, subscribe, do all the goodies. Follow me on Twitter, it'll be down in the description below, and as always, I'll see you guys later.